Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about key to innovation and flexibility, agile project management. Firstly, I would like to say to you, it's a blog, and if you would like to read it, I will share with you the link. And we have also an Instagram account, and I will share the link. You can easily follow it. So, let's go. If you have been in a software-based project, you have probably heard of or applied the concept of Agile. I first heard of this concept while working on an open source project called Hypens, and after that I wanted to share with you. Agile is a manifesto composed of 12 items by people such as Kent Beck, Robert Martin, and Mike Biddle. It may make sense to focus on the meaning of the word agile to understand the basis of this concept. The word agile or agility can summarize as taking quick decisions in the face of changing and sudden situations and taking an agile attitude towards these situations. I want to mention few words from this description. Firstly, like quick decisions, changing and sudden situation, and agile attitude. We can say that the essence of this manifesto can be based on this. The agile approach aims to adapt a little more to this sudden change in the rapidly changing and uncertain technological order, and 12 basic principles have been determined for this purpose. And I would like to explain some of these principles in a few subtitles. Firstly, it is customer-focused process, sustainable approach, having priorities, and finally being team-focused. And firstly, if we will talk about customer-focused process, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. One of the most important priorities of the work done is to be customer-oriented. The product must not only satisfy the boss or a few managers, but must also pass the customer's approval. Deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with preference to the shorter timescale. In this part, which can be considered as the continuation of being customer-oriented, the customer is also included in the operation process. Instead of showing the final version of the product, communication is established with the customer at certain times. Thus, the customer can become more aware of the parts they want in the product. Managers or people working on the product can also understand what customers want from the product. Communication with the customer at certain times, we can say that it distinguishes the agile approach from other approaches. Unlike the agile method, in the waterfall method, the final product is shown to the customer. Sustainable approach. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. As with most things, sustainability is important in the Agile approach. Sustainable decisions must be made and followed. The important thing is not to finish the whole work in one day, but to finish the piece after breaking the work into pieces. For this reason, managers should plan accordingly. It should keep the working intervals neither too tight nor too flexible. Having priorities. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. As in life, it is more important to understand the priorities on the way to work and to finish this priority task. For example, instead of arranging the bugs in the test part, the steps to development of the codes may not be logical. Some methods can be used in this section for having priorities. For example, the Eisenhower method or eating frog method. Final subtitle is Being Team-Focused, the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. It can create synergy when the team first starts by meeting face to face. Especially in the group I met online, I did not notice much excitement or energy. Rather, everyone remains silent. Here, too, I can see the effect of face to face meetings. However, there is one thing that if the administrators or of the group manage this situation well, it will not matter if the online meeting or the continuation of the meeting online. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. In the Agile approach, there is a half-hour meeting every day. In these meetings, people explain what to look at that day or what they want to tell. These meetings also allow people to have a clearer picture of what they will do that day. So thank you for listening. I hope you got some idea or new information about Agile project management. And if there are things that you would like to add or criticize, just write it. And yeah, see you. Goodbye.